Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So today Joe and I went on a little hike to visit Snoqualmie Falls. I hope I'm saying that right. For those of you in the area or live in the area, if I'm saying it wrong, please leave a comment below and correct me. But the way we sounded out was Snoqualmie. At any rate, these falls are about 268 foot, 270 if you want to round off. Dropping down off of the Snoqualmie River. It's located just outside of Falls City, a little bit east of Seattle. So not a far drive from downtown Seattle if you want to go visit it, if you're ever in the area. But it's really cool. There's a lodge on the top. When we went to visit it, it was flowing pretty well, but not as much as it does when it's really, really flowing, as I'm told. In fact, I went and got a little clip, if you will, of when it's really full and at full bear here. You'll see here as I'm chatting, but it's pretty impressive. So come along with us on this little journey to visit these falls, and we'll be right back after that. But before we go, got a little message here for you about our contest. Alright, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon cinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little cinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least one clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. It's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video. Niagara, right? And we're going to go to the bottom. I've been to the bottom of this.
Have you?
Yeah.
Hello. I want to go explore that little hole, that little waterfall coming out from under the ground. I'm wondering if that's a man-made chute bypass.
Dad, we're leaving.
We must explore.
Hi, everybody.
What are you doing? How much further are we at, honey? What you thinking about, Joe?
My future. That ends here.
I was going to say, did you come to the end already? These two pipes are where the water comes through the upper river down here and feeds into the turbines into power plant 2. Right here. That creates electricity. And for some reason this is all fenced off. Maybe because of 9/11, who knows?
Alright, welcome back. So one of the disappointing things is the last time I visited these falls, they allowed you to crawl down on the rocks along the river and just explore a little bit more. And I really wanted to go to the other side, as you heard, and explore that other chute, if you will, that's coming off to the right-hand side of the falls when you're facing the falls. I think it's man-made, but I'm not positive. So if anybody knows the answer to that, let me know. Leave a comment below. Otherwise, it was a great trip. It's only a half-mile hike, but it's kind of a steep hike. But kids did it. Lots of people can do it, so it's not a big deal. So it's not a really hard hike, Todd. If you watch this, you'll know what I'm talking about. At any rate, don't forget about the contest and the images you may have seen throughout the video. Go to the form below here. Click QR code, or with your phone, use your camera, and the QR code will take you right to the website. Or you can go to mybucketlistday.com/contest and go there as well. And I'm going to have a link below here. Don't worry about that. But the contest is fun, so you win 2 cinch bikes. Hope you participate in that. And for those of you who are members, by the way, if you don't already know this, when you enter the contest, and you can enter it every video because there's clues at every video, you get 2 entries, double the entry, so it pays to be a member. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring that little bell to notify you when we're releasing another video. Thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.